Hey there everybody who's watching my channel. My channel obviously is 87jho, so I'm just doing a special unboxing vlogging video today. I have more coming to my channel, so I definitely want to make my channel bigger. So I'm really super excited. So for those who haven't heard, I ordered myself a Nintendo Switch and ordered Breath of the Wild, the game for the Switch, and so I finally got the game in the mail today, so I'm going to do a little short vlogging unboxing video for you folks. So, and then the Nintendo Switch, I'm going to be doing another vlogging video later within the week of my reaction of everything, and I'm so excited for this, especially for how successful my Zelda film is doing, Return to Lands, which is a sequel film to Breath of the Wild. Another reason, huge reason why I'm so excited over Breath of the Wild. So, any further ado, we're going to unbox this together. So, yes, super excited right now. I'm surprised and not really freaking out right now, but I'm probably going to freak out more when my Nintendo Switch comes. Anyway, so, bring the camera down. There. So anyway, okay, so it's a Monday if you're curious, so let's just open this up now. So I already knew what it was when I picked this parcel up, so yes, oh my gosh, yes. So I'm probably planning to get some amiibos to get bonus stuff and Breath of the Wild. So here's the game for the Switch. Yes, so I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So finally get the game right here. Short unboxing. And open the sleeve part 2. Yes, so I cannot wait to play the game. I've even watched a lot of interviews with Shigeru Miyamoto and Eiji Aonuma, and seeing all the stuff you can do in this new Zelda game. So, yeah, man, can't wait. So, wow, it's amazing. Some really amazing artwork in the case. You can show this too. I know other people have already done these type of unboxing, vlogging videos, but so cool. Link climbing, and amazing. Look how small this thing is, but wow. Anyway, so here's the game, Breath of the Wild. Very cool. Awesome. And also for those who are watching my channel, that you should know that there's a very special video coming probably this week or even next week. The special Nintendo review on my Zelda film Return to the Lands, because I actually sent the film to them because they have a lot of rights over the the Zelda franchise, and even believing that this film is one of the best Zelda films and accurate Zelda films ever made. And I totally sent it to them, hoping the best that they would watch it and appreciate all the really hard work that I went through making the film. So I'm expecting a reply letter within this week or next week. And I'll just show, I'm probably not going to have the time to read them, but I've had contact with Nintendo for, I guess, for the past weeks with some of the letters right here you can see. Not with Shigeru Miyamoto or Eiji Aonuma, but just in general the Nintendo team located in Washington. So I've been having a great time chatting with them and everything. It's been really awesome. So I think that's just mainly it, and I'll definitely update you with my videos that are coming to my channel, and stay tuned. So thanks for watching, everyone who's been watching. So anyway, that's it for now. Take care of yourself.